All right, folks, we're back at it here with the square body Chevy Shortbox pickup. We're going to get it cleaned up so I can feel like I can actually be somewhat in the vicinity of it, because it's pretty bad with rat debris, if you know what I mean. I'm going to use a little bit of simple green here. I've got it just diluted half and half. I know that's probably pretty strong, but so is the grime on this thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and start soaking it down everywhere and then get the pressure washer out, and we'll see what it looks like afterwards. Fingers crossed. So here we are, it's the next day. The truck has dried off, and I plugged the battery charger in last night. So that's charging there. Maybe we'll give it a little shot here in a second, see what happens. But as you can see, not quite as much grime. The paint is severely faded. Got little bits of surface rust starting here and there and everywhere. But the truck's actually pretty solid. Come down, see, cab corners are good, bottoms of the doors are good. Still a little bit of grime I didn't quite get all the way off. Fender is good. Bed. She's actually looking pretty good. Again, a little bit of dent there, surface rust all over, but you know, that just a little adds to the patina. Let's come on over here. Here's that corner I was telling you about with, it's actually had a little bit of Bondo here. Get a little bit better of a look. Sorry for the lighting. I think you can see there's Bondo there. Just surface rust. Nothing major on this old girl. This is all surface. No holes. Got kind of a big dent in this door here actually on the bottom. And then again over this way. So what do you think? Should we give it a whirl? Looks like we got most of the rat poop off. Not bad. Lots of surface rust from sitting here on this engine. But I'll let you in on a little secret. This engine actually, even though I put it in a couple years ago, it needs to come back out. It's got like 1/8 of an inch of end play in the crank on the thrust bearings, are wore out. And I actually let the block crack a couple winters ago, so it needs to come out anyway. I've got a spare TBI 350 in the garage. It does run, it does hold pressure, it doesn't leak coolant out of the crack because I JB welded it, but that'll be coming out on a future episode. So now let's maybe give her a little bit of crank, see what happens. Fingers crossed. I don't know what to think. We'll find out. I'm not hearing any popping going on yet. I think it might not be getting any fuel. We might have to check that next, but let's keep going here. I probably put about a half a gallon of gas, fresh gas, in the tank. Maybe that's not enough. I'll try again. Let's try the other tank. Well, I don't know. So maybe we're gonna have to leave the checking for another episode. Find out if it's not getting any fuel or spark or what's going on. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more square body Chevy videos.